People sometimes say I can't do it. I can't do it actually means that I'm lazy to do it and I don't want to do it, I don't want to try even. And this is fine. This is actually very good. But it's good when person admits. It's not like yeah, I can't, I want to, but I can't do it. If you say that you can't do it, cannot do it, this means that you don't want to try, you never tried, and actually didn't put any effort to do it. You didn't really wanted to do it. And this is not a bad thing. The bad thing is that you don't admit it. If you admit, this means that you are putting, it's like you're putting another foundation. If you agree, if you admit it and you're in peace with yourself, that you don't want to try this thing, it's fine. It's not like you must try everything in life. Sometimes there is things that you're just not supposed to do, but you have to be in peace with this. And when you're in peace with this, on top of this, you can start building another feeling that you actually can do. You're actually not lazy. But you have to first be in peace with yourself, what actually you want to do. Yeah.